Wealth building feels impossible at first. You're pushing a heavy boulder uphill, all effort from you. Save $500 a month for 3 years, $19,000. Feels slow, while others seem to grow fast.
First 5 to 7 years, financial torture. $5,000 at 10% earns $500, barely dinner money.
Takes 7 to 8 years of consistent investing to hit $100,000. 80% your brute force, 20% market. At $100,000, 10% return eat $10,000 a year. Snowball begins to roll. Second $100K takes 5 years. Compounding accelerates. Money starts making money. Crossover, portfolio earns more annually than your job. 500K at 12% eats 60K gain. Past 500K, 600K, swings feel big, 30K drop or 50K gain, but you feel untouchable. Trap, at 600K buy luxury, lifestyle costs up 40%, timeline extends from 4 to 9 years. Never withdraw early, $20K spent loses 387K future value at 7% over 20 years. Best strategy, do nothing fancy. Let index funds compound, avoid real estate traps. At 1.5M, 4% withdrawal, 60K year passive. Many don't retire, identity tied to work. Hardest part, not touching money. Temptation peaks when snowball is rolling. Start early, 25 versus 35 adds years of compounding. Automate contributions. Ignore noise, consistency wins. No parade at milestones, just quiet progress. Push phase ends, snowball activates. Money makes money faster than you save. Avoid lifestyle creep, withdrawals. Stay disciplined, freedom awaits. Compounding is unlimited. Your job income is capped, let assets grow. Build life outside work. Goal is freedom, not just big numbers. Automate savings. Ignore distractions. The snowball rolls inevitably. Start pushing your boulder today. The snowball is worth it. See you next time. Keep pushing. Compounding will take over.
You're capable of this. Small, consistent steps win big.
Activate your snowball effect now. If this motivated you, subscribe for more real wealth building truths.